Hey, welcome back everybody to Coffee
Sometimes tea.
with Jen and Marcelo.
Marcelo.
So we're going back to a little bonus here. We did a little slide on dentist, and we were doing the comparison between Copilot,
Copilot and PowerPoint presentation and Gamma with
using
its version of AI GPT.
correct.
Now, I'm taking the same information that we had from the other presentation, and we're going to see the difference. We know that changing fonts and sizing and all of that is a lot more user friendly.
Mm-hmm.
You can do that here with the Gamma, but I want to see what it can generate for us based on the phrase that we give it. So we're going to go ahead and hit describe what we want.
You want 8 cards or 10?
We did 8 cards on the last one, so we'll stay with 8. And I did not grab that, so I'm going to put pause here and come right back. Okay,
and
so I had to go grab the phrase description that we had in the PowerPoint. So this is the phrase that we fed it to.
You can't really see it because it doesn't show everything in here.
Technology. Well, here's the thing. This does not give us everything that we need. That's one thing we want to do. What we're going to do is transforming smiles with cutting edge. I'm just going to go say tech.
Well, you don't put it in here. You can put it in the other one too if you want.
Well, there's a bonus on this. All we're doing right now is we're generating an outline.
Sure.
You don't get an outline in PowerPoint.
No.
But here you do. So I can make the adjustment. So let's hit generate outline.
Oh, okay.
And then it gave me
It always gives you a conclusion and thank you.
So in introduction, dentist name and practice. So what we want to do,
I put it in there parentheses or in colon, and then I put the phrase. So you have to.
All right. So I'm kind of just changing it up here.
There you go. Boom, boom.
With
it'll do it with the colons.
Colons. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Overview of the dental industry, importance, technology and dentistry, cutting edge. Now,
this one does a call to action, schedule a consultant or visit, so it doesn't do a contact us page.
Right. So but do you like overview? Because we're trying to have this talk to. We want this to be for.
I kind of like it. It kind of talks about it. The overview of it could be their industry. Who knows? Of what they've done. Just hit.
Okay. Well, this is for networking. This is for networking for you dentists that are out there. So talking about the industry, talking about why why you.
Mm-hmm.
So we have your pitch.
See, if you're talking about the cutting edge, you want to discuss the dental industry.
All right. So you want me to move this
No,
up?
No. Leave it where it's at. I'm just saying, if you're talking about the, go ahead.
Okay.
Just hit continue.
All right. Well, let's hit continue.
It'll look good.
Yeah. All right. And then very important, do you want it to generate the more of a cartoon?
No, let's do actual. You have to switch it up.
Let's go to web images, and we want to do free for commercial use. And then we're going to hit continue. And let's see what it generates.
You have to pick your theme.
Pick your theme. Something we can't do with right off the bat. We can't do that with PowerPoint, but that's okay because PowerPoint has lots of great features too. Let's find something a little bit brighter. Actually, a lot more bright. There you go. Mm-hmm. That's more like a dentist theme color. Let's hit generate.
And this goes quick, guys.
Super quick.
There you go.
Oh, see? That
but
looks
you have to
good.
You got to redo the pictures though.
All right. That goes right to what you need. And this
is our favorite, man. I love this.
I really do like Gamma.app. I do. I ain't gonna lie. I love PowerPoint just because I know it. I've done it for years, but this really just brings it home. Does give you that different feel. I mean, you know PowerPoint when you see it. Gamma.app, this, when we're done with this, can be put into PowerPoint, which we can show you. at another time.
So scroll up to the top.
But it can
This is cool.
create some of those variations that you've been seeing us do in PowerPoint, like changing out the sides and the slides and the sizes and things like that. So again,
don't close it.
I'm not going to close
it.
it.
You're on the X.
Not on the X, I promise.
So scroll so we can change. See that dentist thing? That was pretty good.
So it turned out great, but we do need to change the picture. So then what we'll do is we'll go over here. We want to make sure that it is a free for use, common use. Let's try this picture.
Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that, man.
Nice. That's nice. All right, and then we will do.
Always change that.
Just
do a coffee.
Oh, okay, fine. We're making it for the dentist. So sometimes tea, and both coffee and tea, they do not like us to drink.
If you read that, see it says doctor, the name of the doctor, founder of practice name, is dedicated to transforming smiles with state-of-the-art technology. See how it integrated that?
Yeah. Or we can say, if you like the main phrase, of course, I'm not going to keep all of this. Delete this. All right. But then you see down here.
You say the same thing again.
You're saying it twice. So in this case.
That I would just put the name of
we would just leave it alone. Yeah. Dr. Smiley Dentist. Dr. Smiles. There you go. Founder of
We Are Smiles.
We Are Smiles. Okay, very good. We Are Smiles. Okay, there you go.
It's dedicated to transforming. See what I'm saying? How it imports it? Pretty good.
I like it.
Overview of the dentistry. This is what I was saying, because you're talking about dental care.
You're focused on your patient's wellness.
Correct.
Involving treatment options. So this is a really good pitch deck for dentists.
This is a good one. What you hit present on this one?
Yeah.
You can add pictures if you want to in the background, but I just leave it.
Let's go ahead and just change out the colors, because do they know that you can change the color of the card? Then let's just change it.
Blue's a good card. That's what they usually use as a dentist.
They like blues. Let's make it a little bit darker. Maybe not so dark.
No,
maybe
lighter.
There you go.
That's good.
Go a little purpley. Let's make sure we're not too far off the theme colors here. And then for that, since this is over there, let's go ahead and drag this over and size it. It's that simple. Cutting edge technology.
It's got a big mouth in the background.
Does it? Let's see what this.
See, look, if you scroll down, it's got teeth. It's pretty funny.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and change this card image and see what it really looks like.
See, and the
there
teeth,
you go.
and they continue. And they continue.
That's for That's for a great example of putting on braces.
Braces,
which my
with
bestie,
different colors.
My bestie had braces growing up. I thought they were cool. I know she didn't, but I thought they were cool. Success stories, before and after pictures. All right. Well, for this, you're gonna want to. Let's see those.
You're gonna want to see the before and after.
Let's go ahead and throw it on the side and see it.
Oh,
perfect.
That's great.
All right, before and after. Oh my God, that makes my mouth hurt. That poor person, whoever that is. Hopefully they have a beautiful smile like this person over here.
The benefits.
It looks like they did right there.
So yeah, personalized care.
Optimize treatment, enhance patient experience, personalized care. This is done for you. You're a dentist. This presentation is done for you. It is that quick, that simple. Call to action, schedule consultation, your conclusion and thank you. I wouldn't say conclusion. I would just say
thank you.
Thank you. Did we get the call to action?
You get a call. It's at the top. It's a different type of call action. See, schedule and that. So.
I don't like that very much. Yeah, I don't really like this very much. So it's a good ending. It's a good ending for a presentation, but it needs a call to action. So let's go ahead and change this picture first, because it needs to be fixed. And then let's just do.
Thank you.
Simple thank you. Is that a dental? I can't tell. Too far away from the screen to see. So we'll just use this picture here. Nope, that's not. Oh, actually, it will work. I'm just going to go further over. Okay, it hates me. That's fine. Things happen. We're going to change the picture. Let's see. Find something that will fit the page. What is this?
No.
I just want a simple thank you,
It's
people.
right there. Here's just the one's going sideways.
Sideways. All right. Let's see if that. No, see, it's too big.
Down here. Scroll down.
Here.
Down more.
No, doesn't work.
Keep going.
Doesn't
Keep
work.
going down. Keep going down. Right there.
All right. Close enough. All right. So since it doesn't want to play nice with me, I am going to change the layout.
I'll do it off the top.
I'm going to do it. Actually, you know what? Let's do it in the background.
There you go. Thank you. Perfect.
All right. Fantastic. That was painful. But hey, you know what?
It's
Sometimes it
fix.
happens. But now it's an easy fix. A thank you, thank you. I do a minor tweak here. Bring that up. All right, there. Good enough. Thank you. And then we want to add a slide. We go down here, and then nope, we got to get out of it. We want to do add card with AI. New card. Dental, contact us today. Let's see if it adds the slide.
There you go.
All right, good enough. All right.
You just have to change it up, though.
We can, but we can just keep it as simple as that. Nope, we'll just do a minor tweak here. Our friendly team is here to assist you with all your dental needs. Contact us today. Call. Text. Email. Visit.
Us at.
And website.
Yep.
So what you're going to have here is your phone number, your text, your email. Visit, meaning your location, and your website. A lot of people are doing the text now. The AI is a part of that, where they can text to schedule their appointment, and then they get an automated response. How cool is that? So while you're taking care of patients, you can have a virtual bot assistant helping you and your staff set those appointments.
Correct.
And so for that, I think that's pretty great. I know you said you wanted to see the big picture of things, so we're going to hit present. And then we'll just go to the top if it lets us.
It does. You hit page up.
Page up,
It works.
page up, page up. All right, so starting from the top, great opening, the overview, importance of the technology in the industry. Again, continuing on, success stories before and after, why, call to action, which you can change this up. You can even delete this altogether if you really wanted to, because you have it on the thank you page.
Thank you, and then your contact page.
And contact us. And again, you can this is not exactly the most pretty page, we know, but change it, make it your own. Join us in our schools. We're giving free videos and reviews and deep dives, so you can also go further in depth in the presentation, so that in your presentation, so you can know how to create this yourself. And we'll be there every step of the way to show you how. So here, this was just like a little bonus for you. I know it ran a little long. That's why we broke this up into 2 parts. I know we had said in the previous video we were going to do a comparison. Here's your comparison. So thanks again for joining us here at Coffee Sometimes Tea.
You guys have a great night.
Cheers
Thank
to you. Cheers to you. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Don't forget to like us, follow us, and share the links with other friends and family. We hope to see you again here at
Coffee.
Sometimes Tea.
Thanks, guys.